The power struggle playing out between the world's two largest economies, hitting homes hard this morning.
It's like, okay, are we going to be able to buy the same amount with what we have budgeted for groceries?
On Friday, President Trump raised the import cost of Chinese goods by imposing massive tariffs on nearly 6,000 everyday household products. Are you concerned?
Hell yes, yeah. Who wouldn't be?
But what control do we have?
Now, Americans are facing higher prices everywhere from fruit, vegetables, cereal, and shampoo to big-ticket items affecting furniture, television sets, and smartphones.
I don't like raising my prices. I don't like charging my customers more when they come in.
Don Heberer is a fourth-generation hardware store owner in St. Louis.
They're the biggest importer that we sell here.
China is.
China, yes.
The president, meanwhile, making the case those tariffs will force China's hand in this trade war, tweeting on Friday, "Tariffs will make our country much stronger, not weaker." But American farmers and workers are first to feel the impact. Kenneth Hartman is a fifth-generation soybean farmer in Waterloo, Illinois.
I think Trump was trying to do the right thing, but it's getting to the point now. Prices keep dropping. Corn has dropped 20 cents in the last week. Beans have dropped 30 cents.
Last year, Hartman struggled to break even. Now, this new tariff hike, adding to an increasingly tough outlook for what would be the next generation of farmers.
I would like to keep it going, but in order to do that, we need to fix the dropping prices before they get any lower.
The U.S.-China trade war, now 14 months old, taking a toll on everyday Americans.